welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I am a makeup artist and a book lover. Today's video is going to be all about this look. Now let's get into it. So I'm trying to not have this intro go too long because I actually have to go to work in like an hour. So I have to do this in like 20 minutes. So let's do it. This look is literally like the easiest thing to do. And I'll be honest, this is my second time filming it because I realized the first time I did it, I messed up on a part. I was like, don't appreciate that. But here we are. So I have my base makeup on already. I will have everything listed down below. But we're going to be focusing on the Purge mask. And I'm doing an orange version because it's Halloween. Why not? So I'm using water activated liners. These are both from Elli Beauty. I have the You Are Loved and the Artistry one. I'm using the orange in the You Are Loved, and I'm using the white in this one. And then I'm using the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Blends palette to blend out the orange. You just get your water activated palette and you have some water. So you just want to get your orange all loaded up. And I'm gonna try to do this without getting it on my wig. And you want to just make a mask. So you want to start kind of going around your forehead. You don't want it like at your hairline, you want it a little bit lower. And you're going to follow around. I don't think this is the best brush for what I'm doing. It is what it is. So you want to follow around. When you get to the cheekbone, like where you contour, you're gonna go in a little bit. And then not right here, but like a little bit lower, you're gonna go around and around onto your chin. This is where I messed up. I didn't go around on my chin. I mean, it still looked cool, but like it didn't have the full like mask effect. So once you have the base outline done, you're just gonna go back in with more of your paint and just kind of, you know, thicken up the line, make it a little bit more opaque. Once you have that on, you're going to do a line on your nose. Just something like that. You're going to do your eyes. The eyes just have crosses through them, so you want to do kind of one eye at a time. Because you want this to dry without smearing. So if you have like a paper or like a fan, I would recommend using that. The main thing is you just don't want this to smear too much. You will blend it out, but you just want a really nice opaque line on your eye. Okay, I'm going to repeat the X on this eye. Okay, and then you're going to continue on the lower lash line, just kind of following where you did the line. Something like that. Okay, and just touch it up as needed. Obviously, the eyes don't really match on me, but it is what it is. Now I have a tinted lip balm on, so I'm just gonna rub that off. Now to do the lips, I'm gonna do a line in the middle, just like that. Kind of like if you're doing like skeleton lips or skeleton mouth, whatever. So you basically just want to do 3 lines, and then you want like an X by your corner, and then another X kind of attaching that. Now I've seen a couple different versions where they do a full color on their lip, or they do like the outline of the orange around their lip. I'm gonna do the outline because I like how that looks more. And you want to connect that to the X, and then you want to draw a line between the X's, just to connect them. And I'm gonna go back over here. Okay, so now that the paint is on, you want to get an eyeshadow that corresponds to whatever color that you decide to do. You don't have to do orange, you can do any color. Any color would look like fantastic. I've seen pink a lot. I haven't seen much orange, so I decided to do orange. So going in with the blends palette, I am gonna just be using the shade Barley here. And I'm gonna be using that on a brush. Where did I put my brush? I have a brush that's shaped like this, and I find that it works perfectly for this. So you're just gonna go right into whatever shade, mine being orange, and you're going to start blending this around the line. Make it a little more like messy, but it would make sense once you put the white highlight on because you're kind of just mimicking the neon glow. Yeah, so you just want to do this all around your face wherever you put that orange. I find that I'm being even more messy than usual with this because I'm in a slight rush. But it's coming together. You can kind of see like the vision of it. I'll say you honestly don't really need a lot of shadow. You just really want it to look like it's glowing, which is the whole point. Okay, and then the eyes, you just need to do very gently. Obviously your eye area is a little more sensitive, but basically you're just doing the same thing over and over again. Cue the Nelly song. Does anybody even remember that? So what is it, Nelly and Tim McGraw? And then the last thing to do is the white highlight, and then you can do like mascara or lashes if you want. I'm just gonna throw on mascara after this, but I'm just going in with the white shade. What I realized I did in the first look also that I did wrong is I did the white line way too thin. You want it a little bit thicker. So I have a little bit of a thicker brush, and I'm just going to go right in the center of everything that I did. And you can see it gives like the neon glow. I love it. It's so simple, so easy to do, and now I just gotta fill in everything that I did. So I am pretty much done. All I gotta do is do some mascara, which I am just gonna go in with just a couple. I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm not doing lashes because I feel like you don't really need lashes with this look. You can definitely do lashes if you want, but I think mascara works just fine. So I'm gonna just quickly go ahead and do that off camera, and I'll be back to show you the actual finished look. But this literally took me under 20 minutes to do, so like anybody can do this. It's so easy. Alright, and here is the finished makeup look. I really like how this came out. I do think that this version is a lot better than my first version, but I am so happy with how this looks and just how easy it is to do. So again, this took me under 20 minutes to finish. Granted, I did do my base makeup off camera, but that only took me like 15 minutes. And if I'm being honest, you probably don't even need the base makeup. You can just do the mask and like be fabulous that way. But I am super happy with this look. Let me know what you think of this. If you like this video, make sure you give it a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. We're just days away from the 31st. I put out a video every day this month, and I am just so ecstatic about all of my looks. So anyways, all of the makeup details will be listed down below if you're interested in everything that I used on my face today, along with any accessory details. Check the description, there's going to be a lot of info down there. But I think that covers everything. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever watching this. Stay spooky, and I'll see you all tomorrow for a brand new video. Bye!